Ah, July. The dog days. You know, the heat slaps you in the face, your lens fogs up before you even say RF glass. In camera news, yeah, about as exciting as watching your memory card format. Now, historically, July is the month where not much happens in the world of gear, like crickets. The industry hits snooze, retailers are asleep, Canon sipping pina colada somewhere, and we're just sitting here refreshing rumor sites like we're waiting on a pizza delivery that's never coming. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So, it's slow right now. So slow that nobody's even seen a roadmap. I mean, come on, Canon. Throw us a breadcrumb, a doodle on a napkin, something. Right now, even the people who are usually in the know are more like, maybe Q4? And don't even get me started on tariffs. Will they delay products? Will they eat our lunch? No one knows. The only thing we do know is this. If Canon's supply chain was a person, it'd be that guy who shows up to the group project with no notes and says, I thought it was due next week. So far in 2025, we got the EOS R5V and the PowerShot V1. Now, at first I didn't care too much, but after seeing them in action, pretty solid little cameras. Now, are they game changers? No. But hey, vloggers are stoked. Photographers, not so much. It's like ordering steak and getting a tofu slider. Technically still food, but not what you came for. But word on the street, and by street I mean rumor forums and back channel whispers, is that Q4 is where it's at. That's when Canon might actually wake up and dump a bunch of new bodies and cinema gear on us. Full frame? APS-C? Maybe. Probably. Hopefully. The catch? Well, don't expect to touch any of that gear until 2026. It's like announcing a concert tour and then going, tickets available next year. Maybe. Now, last year, Canon went ham on lenses. 7 new RF bangers, and this year, well, we've got the RF 16-28 2.8, the RFS 14-30 f4-6.3, and the RF 20mm f1.4 LVCM. But if we know Canon, and we do, they're likely holding at least 3 to 5 more lens launches for the end of the year. And here's the twist. There's a backlog. Yeah, a big ol' lens traffic jam. We're talking RF lenses, super telephotos, maybe even a unicorn or two. And yes, they're in the wild being tested right now, somewhere. Probably by that one guy on Instagram who always posts sample shots of ducks and refuses to leak specs. Well, don't expect them until 2026 though. Olympic year. Sports photographers, well, you're eating next year, not now. At the end of the day, there's not a ton of holes in Canon's current lens lineup. Now, sure, we'd love to see more affordable options, especially third party. But honestly, most people would rather wait than spend $2,000 on a lens that costs $700 for EF. Because let's face it, the number one complaint about RF glass? The price. So where does that leave us? Well, pretty much right back where we've been the past few years. We know what's coming, we just don't know when. Anyway, hit me with your thoughts down in the comments and let's keep this conversation going. So remember to smash that like button, subscribe for more truth bombs, and hit the bell to be notified of all new videos. Also visit my website jeff-gresham.com to grab my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed and personally use for all my photo projects. Photo prints are also coming soon, so keep checking back for those. And until next time, get out and shoot. And don't let the July slump kill your spark. And I'll catch you in the next one. Later.